Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, November 2nd, 2015. It is the first trading day of the month. Let's get started here. We're going to take a look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are trading higher today by about a point. Make it 2 points right now to around 20.75 3/4 per contract. You can see futures overnight were much lower around midnight. However, they have come roaring back. They're up about 10 points off those lows. So all in all, futures are carving out a slightly positive gain before the opening bell. Now, Mondays have been notoriously light volume days, so we have to take that a little bit into account, but there are plenty of things moving around. First, we're going to start off with Visa. Today, you're going to see that Visa is trading a little bit lower. It looks like the company came out with earnings. I believe they missed their earnings, but they are doing a share buyback. They're also going to buy back buy Visa Europe stock for $24 billion. You could check out the news on Visa. There's a lot of stuff going on there. Either way, the stock closed at $77.58. It is now trading at $75.40. So it is trading lower. We'll keep this one on the radar once the opening bell rings today. Right now, I don't have any really desirable levels, but I am looking around just a pierce of $75. I think there'll be a little bit of support, and I really love the $69.90 level if it does get down there today. So keep that on the radar today. If it does get down to $69.90, I think you could trade it and be all over it. That's what I'm seeing. In sympathy, you also want to watch MasterCard today. That looks like it's trading down a little bit. We're not going to make too much out of it. It's right around that 98.50 level at the moment. All right, let's take a look at Cardinal Health. It looks like they had earnings as well. Right now, the stock is trading at around 85.65, closed at 83.31. There is a lot of resistance up here around this $86 level. So, again, I don't know how much upside is in there. If you own it, just trail the stop loss at this point in time. I would not look to be initiating a long position at this stage of the game. And again, if you want to trade this and other stuff, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You could trade right alongside of us in the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's take a look at Chipotle Mexican Grill. Stock is trading down today simply because there's an E. coli outbreak in one or two stores. You could read more about it. I'm not big on the news, but nonetheless, that is the catalyst for the big drop. The stock closed at $6.40, and it is now trading at $6.12. Either way you slice it or dice it, if it goes lower, we do want to buy this one. I have levels for us. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock. So again, if you want to come trade that alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial and you'll see what we're doing. HPQ, which is Hewlett-Packard, they are splitting up into two different companies. You're going to have HPQ, which is computers and printers, and then you're going to have HPE, which is the enterprise unit. And that is trading right now under the ticker symbol HPE. So again, keep that on the radar. So if you see a big drop in HPQ, it's simply that the company has broken up into two parts, and these are the new ticker symbols. HPE is the enterprise, and then you got HPQ, which is computers and printers. Let's take a look at Conagra Foods, CAG. It looks like they sold off a unit to Treehouse Foods, which is ticker symbol THS. So right now, if you take a look at THS, it's kind of just sitting here at $86, not doing a whole lot. CAG was up higher earlier, has come back down to earth though. So we'll watch this one once the opening bell rings. There's just not enough volume out here to do anything in the pre-market with these names. Let's take a look at Estee Lauder, ticker symbol EL. Stock is trading at $87.50. I believe they reported earnings closed at $80.46. Great move. Has very good resistance around $88, but it could trade a little bit higher than that. But I'd be careful here if you own it. Trail the stop loss. It is getting overbought at this stage of the game, but great move this morning. Let's take a look at DYAX. They are being bought out by Shire. So a lot of buyouts. This is a drug name. I believe it's being bought out, and you could take a look at Shire, which is HSPG. I believe they are a British company. Either way, both stocks, if you own DYAX, congratulations. Just trail the stop loss. There's not much I would do with Shire. Usually the acquiring company will go down. Constant Contact is also being bought out today. I forget the whole deal there, but either way, I believe it's a $1.1 billion deal. Stock is trading decently higher, just going sideways now. So again, if you own it, just trail the stop loss there. Clorox, I believe they had earnings as well. Stock is trading up here at $126, but there's no volume out here. Either way, it's a very, very good move. There's a ton of resistance around 128.50 all the way up to 130. So if you own it, just trail the stop loss. Do not chase this one higher. This could be trouble if you do try to chase it up much further from here. All right, we're looking at the gold market today. You're going to see gold futures are down about $4.50 to $1,136 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD. You'll see that is trading right around 108.85. So not much we're going to do there at this moment in time. Crude oil trading down about 60 cents, just underneath the $46 level at $45.95 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to trade crude oil, you're going to see that this is trading at $14.68, closed at $14.81. So again, both gold and oil are down today, but they will be on our radar once the opening bell rings. And if you want to trade this along with some other equities, please come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you will see everything that we are doing there. With that being said, everyone, it is a Monday. And again, take it slow, take it steady. Let's see how this market plays out today. But nonetheless, right now, futures are higher. We want to respect that a little bit. Volume on Mondays are usually pretty light. So again, hard to see the downside action, but you never know. We got a lot of stocks in motion, and we'll play it accordingly. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.